Hi, Mary Jane DeTana, Morrisville, Pennsylvania. We've been with Ray's Heating for years, and we're very happy. As a matter of fact, our air conditioning unit outside was struck by lightning, and Ray came out and said, "Gee, I don't know whether I'm going to be able to fix it or not," but he did, and it's been working for us ever since. Trustworthy, good workmanship. I highly recommend Ray's Heating and Air Conditioning to anybody. He's wonderful. It's a wonderful company to deal with.